What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah.
Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Shafiq.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Rafiq.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Fawad.
And hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Muzaffar.
Okay, we are from EIS1A. Okay, today we want to talk about the courses and employment. The courses employment among local graduates. Okay, Rafiq, can you share with us the first courses?
Okay, thank you Shafiq. The first causes of unemployment among Malaysian graduates is poor command of English language. For example, many of our graduates have bad or low vocabulary and grammar skills, especially when they are speaking in English. Most of our graduates are unable to speak English fluently. Due to this poor command of English language, there are some effects that they will be facing in the near future. The first effect is they will find themselves hard to communicate with foreign workers who has not can speak Malay at all. For example, if the graduates get the opportunity to work in oil and gas industries, not all of their colleagues will be Malaysian. Sometimes their colleagues could be a foreign worker that come from all over the globe, such as American, Swedish and United Kingdom people. Second, the next effect is they will find themselves hard to understand questions in English language. For example, they will find themselves hard to understand the question during the interviewing session. It is because most of interviewing sessions by the company were done in English language. But there are still some solutions that Malaysian graduates can take to improve their English language. For example, Malaysian graduates can join English classes to improve their language in order to overcome their poor command of English language. These English classes can be joined whether physically or through online platform. Last but not least, there is one moral values that I have learned from this courses. This issue teaches us about the importance of having a good command of English language. It is because English is the number one language in the world. There are 1,132 million of people who speak English as their first language. So that if you have mastered the English language, you shouldn't. English shouldn't be a problem for you to speak with other strangers from other countries. Okay, Shafiq, can you share with us the second causes of unemployment among Malaysian graduates?
Alright, thank you, Rafiq. The second causes of unemployment, in my opinion, is too many graduates. It is because there are many universities produce graduates, and the effect from that job becomes smaller and difficult to local graduate to find a job. Next, the company prioritize graduates that come from university and come from overseas. Next, the company prioritize graduate and they come from overseas and the best university. That's why the local graduates difficult to get a job. Alright, I would like to share with you guys the solution to overcome this issue. The solution is you must study hard and get good CGPA in order to become more outstanding than other graduates. Okay, so Fawad, can you share with us the causes of unemployment from your opinion?
Alright, Shafiq, thank you for your share. Okay, there are many reasons why graduates remain unemployed, but I want to share one of them. Okay. The reason is they are very selective in choosing jobs. They only want to work in the industry that related to their field of study in the university. The effect from the action that they have to is their lack of experience and general knowledge, so they don't get the new experience. Okay. If there is a problem, they must have the solution. In my opinion, the solution that they may take to overcome the issue is they must accept any job opportunity because there is no regret in learning new experience. The moral value that I can take about the issue is we should not be too selective in choosing the job because the experience is not easy for everyone to get. Okay, Muzaffar, can you tell us about the causes of graduates remain unemployed?
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Fawaz, for the information. Okay, the last cause is poor communication skills. There are two effects in this cause. Okay, the first is difficult to cooperate with our college students from the overseas, such as Australian students, American students, or wherever. Okay, the second is it is very hard to attract potential investor that came from abroad. Okay, next, there is one solution for this cause. The solution is we must enroll ourselves more in co-curriculum activities during our university or polytechnics life, such as debate competition and story competition. There are a lot competition, but this competition is very popular in university or polytechnics. Okay. Furthermore, there is one moral value I can learn from this course. The moral value is we should not be afraid to speak English with others to improve our communicative skill in English. Okay. That's all from us about causes of unemployment among local graduates, and thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Tolong